Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So today we are in Vivanta IT Gateway in Chennai. So this is the only Vivanta branch in Chennai city and we are staying in the Deluxe City View room. So this is the room. The room looks big for the price. So the price comes around 4,500 including the taxes and breakfast. So the room looks fine. There are certain places where the age of this hotel is seen, but in general, it looks okay. So, this is the bed. It's a lovely design in the background, and these are the storage areas and the luggage tray. And there is a 32-inch TV. So, here you got two water bottles, and then and the office table with connections to the TV, including HDMI and USB. There is also a nice chair. Let's check out the restroom part. So this is the restroom. This is the basin with the soap, and the amenities include toothpaste, shower cap, and toothbrush, and with couple of hand towels and some gels, body lotions. So this is the shower cubicle. Looks adequate and neat. And this is the western toilet as well. So overall, everything looks neat, although some places have a lot of scratches in the room, but apart from that, everything looks fine, I would say. So it's good morning, and since we reached the hotel at around 12:30 am, I couldn't take the view of the room from the outside. So this is the view from the window, and it looks fine. The hotel is located in the OMR, and metro constructions are going on. So on this left side, you can see the ID Tech Parks, Accenture, Cognizant is there, an eye hospital is there. There is restaurants, and then on the other sides, you can see yeah, Novotel Hotel and west side clothes shops. So overall, yeah, I think the location should get better once the metro is available. For right now, you can take the cabs. I say. So let's go for breakfast now. So that brings us to the end of this video. To summarize, I think this whole was good for the price we paid. So the options were Novotel and Ibis. But if you visit the Taj website, I think you are getting a better deal when compared to other sites like Make My Trip. So around 4,500 was good, and the lunch comes around 1,200 plus taxes, and the variety was good and the taste was good both in the breakfast as well as in the lunch. So overall, I would say a pretty good restaurant, a 4 out of 5. Apart from some signs of age in the room, I would not have any other complaints and would definitely visit again. And if the metro, as you can see here, gets completed in 2 years, this would be another big bonus for this hotel. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe.